Hello everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel of Profound EduTech. So we are back here once again with yet another exciting campus update for you all, and this time it's regarding Wipro. Yes, so dear students, we are pleased to inform you that Wipro is hiring BE BTech students of 2021 batch, and we are here to give you information about the same. And also we are making a big announcement regarding free online preparatory course to prepare you for Wipro's online test. So make sure that you watch the complete video to get all the details. This is a brief introduction about Wipro. Wipro, it doesn't need any special introduction. As you know, it is one of the leading IT companies of India. And in order to get more details about them, you may visit their website, which is www.wipro.com. These are the details about Wipro Elite NLTH. Now, few of you might have appeared for TCS NQT, the campus hiring initiative of TCS through which they recruit the final year students. Similarly, Wipro have their own campus hiring initiative, which is called Wipro Elite NLTH. And through this, they try to provide equal opportunity to all the engineering students from across India. These are the eligibility and criteria details. As far as qualifications are concerned, BE, BTech and 5 years integrated MTech course of 2021 batch are eligible. The specializations eligible are computer science, IT and circuital branches. As far as marks are concerned, candidates are expected to have minimum 60% in 10th and 12th standard and minimum 65% in graduation till date. There shouldn't be more than 3 years gap after 10th standard till graduation, and when you will be appearing for Wipro Elite NLTH process, there shouldn't be any live backlog. The designation offered to the freshers through this initiative is project engineer. Compensation, that is salary offered, is 3.5 lakhs per annum. There is a service agreement of 12 months, and the tentative campus dates for online test are between 18th to 23rd January 2021. So most important, what will be the online test pattern? The online test will be based on aptitude test, written communication test, and online coding test. The aptitude test will consist of questions on logical ability, quantitative ability, and verbal ability. It will be of 48 minutes, followed by written communication test, in which you are expected to write an essay, and you will be given 20 minutes to do it. And the most important part, the third one, is of programming round, and there will be two questions, two programs that you need to code. The allocated time is 60 minutes, and you may choose any one of the following programming languages of your choice, which can be Java or C or C++ or Python. So to apply for Wipro Elite NLTH 2021, please visit this particular URL, which is bit.ly/profound Wipro, PROFOUNDWIPRO. Please note that this URL is case sensitive, and the last date to apply for this is 5th January 2021. The registrations, the applications have already started from today, and the last date to apply is 5th January 2021. Yes, so as mentioned in the beginning, the big announcement, Profound EduTech, we are offering Wipro Campus Preparatory Online course free of cost to everybody, to all the 2021 batch students who are willing to prepare for Wipro's campus drive. This course will be live online course, and it will start from 21st December 2020. You are advised to register for this course on the given URL, which is bit.ly/WIPROCOURSC, that is Wipro course. This URL as well is case sensitive, so make sure you enter the correct URL in the address bar of your browser. So take the advantage of this initiative by Profound EduTech, and you are also requested to share this information with your friends as well as classmates. So thank you everybody for watching this video. We hope you have been liking all our videos and you are finding them useful. So Profound EduTech, we are predominantly top IT training company, and along with quality trainings, we are very well known for strong placement support as well. So enroll today for full stack Java developer, .NET developer, testing, Python, data science, machine learning courses at Profound EduTech and get 100% guaranteed placement support. We start new batches almost every week, and in order to get more details about our courses, you may call on the given numbers, which is 89830 or 52. This is the snapshot of our full stack Java developer course, which covers your programming fundamentals right from OS networking concepts, database concepts, C++, then the complete Java track right from basics of core Java to the advanced most parts of Java frameworks, Hibernate, Spring Boot, etc. We also cover responsive web design part along with Angular. We also cover Express.js, Node.js, MongoDB. Python basics are also covered in this course along with software testing. So within the same course, we cover multiple technologies, multiple programming languages, and it also helps you to get skilled on multiple technologies and also explore placement opportunities with us relevant to these skills. We also offer aptitude and soft skill sessions complementary with this course, and we also have project where you will implement whatever you learn during the course. This is a similar advanced diploma course in software testing, which covers both manual testing as well as automation testing, along with programming fundamentals and Java part, which is required for Selenium WebDriver, etc. These are the highlights of our courses. All our trainings, all our courses, they are live trainings by our senior trainers, whether online or offline. All the trainings are live trainings, and since they are live, a lot of interaction is possible between the trainers and the students, which helps the students to get all their questions, queries, doubts resolved immediately. We cover multiple technologies and programming languages within the same course. We give a lot of importance to hands-on approach because ultimately your practical knowledge matters the most in the IT industry. Whatever you learn, you practice it daily in the labs where you are guided by the lab trainers. Whatever you learn, you implement it on real-world projects. And most importantly, Profound EduTech's enrolled students of Java, Angular, testing, .NET, Python, data science, etc. They get exclusive campus drives which are only for Profound trained students, because there are many companies which recruit trained freshers from us, and these are exclusive campus drives only for Profound trained students. So in order to get all our updates regularly, please be in touch with us on all our social platforms. We are available on Facebook. Our Facebook page has 51,000 plus likes, and we keep posting all our updates on Facebook page. So do like our Facebook page. Also, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, and also uh, click on the bell icon to get all our updates regularly and instantly. You may also find us on Telegram, and as far as website is concerned, it's www.profoundedutech.com. So thank you so much, dear students, for watching this video, and hope to see you soon with one more once again.